Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anthony, your regular first aid presenter. So in case if you never subscribe, not forget go subscribe. So wetin make me come today now? Wetin Constitutional Court talk concerning Savini decree law wey pass 2018. Today now na Constitutional Court wetin dem come conclude na im make me say make I come shook my mouth put. So I just dey happy when I hear the news today when dem blow am for net. Now I say make I come still shook my mouth put. So una make sure say una watch this video to the end in case of those people wey no know. If you know say you dey Italy and you dey ask for asylum seeker wey dem dey call richiedente asilo, before now Salvini put law say for those people wey know say e dey ask for asylum, dem no fit do resident for dem for Italy. If you know say they live for Italy, na e dey among the decree wey pass 2018 if una remember. So if you go article 113, na there for talk am say e no want make dem give those people resident or make dem fit see register for the registration of immigrant for Italy. Na there Constitutional Court come talk say for article 77 and article 3 for under Italian law come talk say na lie how those things no fit happen for where all of them dey, because of say Italy dem say law na the same for everybody according to article 3. So whether you come for any other place around the world or difference of the race and culture or the ethnic group wey belongs to, e say you go fit register according to the constitution of Italy. Na be number 3 constitution. So now say make I come shook my mouth put say na better thing don still come concerning this. It is having a decreto di sicurezza wey use dey threaten us wey be immigrant wey still dey ask for political asylum. From now henceforth wey be 9 of July 2020, Constitutional Court come reject all the law wey Salvini be write concerning say immigrant wey dey ask for political asylum no fit get carta identità wey dem dey call resident for Italy. You know say if you no get resident, you no get wetin dem dey call alloggio or hospitalita, you no fit get doctor, and all those things go deprive a lot of immigrants for so many things. Even some cities around Italy dey still dey practice the Salvini law since wey take talk am since 2018, but no be all city. Na there Constitutional Court come talk say from today henceforth the law wey Salvini be talk concerning say immigrant wey dey ask for political asylum no fit go ask for resident for commune. Say im don reject that law, im don abolish am, im don cancel am, im don erase am for their own constitution. Say na out of bad belle, out of say e no dey our shoe wey be asylum seekers, na im take dey use all those things against us. Na there e come talk today. Na the judge come pull hammer knack the law wey be fair right out of bad belle. Na e come talk say he don cancel that law. So for me now na joy for our side now. So we wey be asylum seekers now go fit go commune now go ask for resident and dem do am for us because of say Salvini law e no dey again, because dem don cancel that particular part wey e talk say immigrant wey dey ask for political asylum dem no fit give am carta identità or resident. So that one na those things, because if you no get resident or you no get hospitality or domicilio for that particular city, you no fit get access to doctors wey dem dey call all these treatment wey you dey take, wey dem dey wey Italo dey call sanità, which is health. All those health care you no fit get access to am, because this law wey make me happy well well because of say e give opportunity to we wey be foreigners, so that immediately we dey ask for political asylum we fit get residence side by side, so that as your residence still dey count side by side now, you fit still apply for every other document wey you know say you still dey due to get. Like say you wan apply for passport, na 10 years resident. Like say you wan do any other things wey you know say, or carta sojourner. At the moment wey you dey apply for carta sojourner, you go get resident. So resident na important document wey Italy need, wey foreigner wey dey Italy need to suppose to get. Now say make I come shook my mouth put, so that as this judge come still talk this one, so this constitutional court come still agree, come still talk say those law wey he talk, he say they reject am. So we now we don dey jolly, we don dey happy because of say this one na see another good news. Now say make I come shook my mouth put say for now henceforth, if you know say you dey camp, or you know say you dey ask for asylum, wey Savini talk say you no fit get access to carta identità or go do resident, or write your name wey dem dey call anagrafe, which is your registration for commune or municipalities wey you dey. So na that one na constitutional court today na dey abolish. Now say make I come tell us, for those of you wey you know say still my viewer, if una get any question concerning this constitutional court wetin dey pass today, you fit still call me for 35101233025. And more not forget, more see push una subscription, more make sure say una subscribe and are free from the bottom of this video where I dey drop. So and every other video where I'll see dey drop, I'll see dey come see dey drop on small. Not me say I abandon my viewer, and because of say time and schedule na make me never come see all this one. So don't forget, I still remain Anthony. Una bye bye.